Hello, everyone. I'm Joseph Giarraputo, the founder and editorial director of Global Finance. I'm speaking from New York. Andreas Burner, the CTO and head of product management at SmartStream, will join me from Vienna. He'll talk to us about AI in the financial sector. With over 4 decades of experience behind it, SmartStream is a trusted partner in the financial industry, transforming middle and back office operations across the globe. SmartStream has been recognized in Global Finance's Innovators Awards in each of the last 4 years. Welcome, Andreas.
Thank you, Joseph. It's a pleasure to be here.
Okay, let's get started. How has the application of AI in the financial sector evolved in the last year?
So it's very interesting because you can see a complete shift of the agendas in financial institutions. So where we saw a lot of rule-based and optimizations and so on, there is a shift in the C-level management team that now put the main focus and also the main investments on AI technologies. And the interesting bit is where a few years ago you could see that financial services was behind. Now they are really at the very forefront of AI adoption. Yeah, so they did their homework. Yeah, they centralized their data. They try to get a holistic view end to end from the front office to the back office, where they can analyze the data and use the data for AI. They implement data lake houses or similar things so that they can access AI effectively. And also there are more and more regulations coming in place. So there's also this meta level of thinking where they think what is good for our customers and for the organizations. So a lot has changed recently.
Now, tell us, what are the benefits of AI technologies for financial institutions?
So I see probably 2 drivers. The first driver really, or the first benefit, is operational efficiency, of course. So we are in a world of how we see it in SmartStream is that the transaction volumes are increasing rapidly. So in the payment industry, for example, the amounts are smaller, transactional values are smaller, but the volume is exploding. And there are not a lot of technologies that can cope with that amount of data that is generated. So AI is perfect for that. Yeah? You can increase the efficiency of the team and then scale the business. And the second part, I would say, is really to get more control of risk of business. So to assess the risk better, but also to then reduce the risk, because AI can analyze the risk within seconds and feed that back into the users. And therefore, it's better for fraud detections or data analytics, where the business users can immediately find out if there is anything off.
What concerns do financial institutions have about AI, and how is SmartStream addressing them?
That's a very interesting question. And I think what captures that best is what the European AI Act says about AI and how it should be used and how it should be assessed. So the European AI Act speaks about 4 levels of risk for AI. The unacceptable AI, which is social scoring or AI in public places and so on. Then the risky or high AI, which protects the individual's rights. And then the more transparent AI, where AI has to be transparent to users and to clients, what it does to avoid manipulation. And then there are the minimal risk AI topics. So it's really about protecting users, companies, and so on from AI. And these are the concerns that also our clients and the industry has at the moment. SmartStream's view is very clear here. So we make everything transparent in our applications. We make very clear to the users how the AI was trained, on what data it predicts, so what is used to make a prediction, or an inference. And then we explain also why it came up with something. And we saw that users accept much better the result of AI technology if they are in the loop, if they understand what data, why, and so on. Yeah. So this is our take on it. And I think this also is the main concern that needs to be addressed in the industry. So not just black box AI, but very transparent AI.
What steps should a financial institution take to determine the right AI solutions for their business?
So we are in many conversations with our clients about the biggest business cases or how they can make their customer offering better. And I think the steps that are best to be taken is first ask the why question. What needs to be done? Is it more a front office topic? Is it to make clients happier or give them more information or make back office more efficient? And it's always about operational efficiency or risk or to improve the offering. And then, of course, the next question is how much does it cost to build a certain AI technology? It can be very costly because it's not just about data scientists and those experts. It's a complete transformation within financial institutions to bring the data to a central storage and make it available, but then again have governance in place so that it's safe and secure. And the last thing I think, which is the most important step, is the team, where it's important to bring business users together with AI engineers, but also UI, UX engineers. And they design the interface together so that it feels like one component and not separate components or glued together. And we did that in the past years. And it's interesting how when those people come together and they speak completely different languages, and you spend with them 2-3 days in a room, what comes out? Because not only a fantastic business case, but also really, really great applications and use cases.
Well, Andreas, this has been very interesting. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Joseph.